Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Today, we're highlighting student projects, a powerful tool for students to share their learning through images or videos. Teachers can create assignments, review submissions, approve or deny, and leave feedback. If the project is share-worthy, it can be added to libraries to be displayed. To create a student project, navigate to the student module, click Add Project, name your project, and add project details. Add information for teachers like standards or guidelines. Assign groups who will have access to the project. Upload a photo if you'd like. And that's it. Your project is ready to assign to student users. Projects can be anything, from promoting a positive school culture to academic check-ins. Let your students show you what they know. Start using student projects and unlock your students' creativity. See you next time.